In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to update your game in Roblox using Roblox Studio. Let's get started. First, navigate to this website, create.studio.com. In the homepage, under Experiences, you're going to find your game. Go ahead and click on the game that you want to update. Once your project is fully open, you can start making changes to your game. For example, you can add new objects like trees, buildings, vehicles, or any other elements you want to improve your gameplay. You can search for it. Here, you're going to see the search box, type in the object that you want to add. After it appears, click on it and it will be added to your game. You can also edit existing parts of your map, adjust scripts, or enhance the overall design to make your experience better for players. After you finish making all the necessary changes, it's time to save and publish your update. Click on the File option. Now from these options, select the option Publish to Roblox, or simply use the shortcut Alt+P on your keyboard. This will upload your latest changes directly to your Roblox experience. Once the publishing process is complete, your game will be successfully updated and available for players to enjoy with all the new improvements we have added. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.